Welcome children. Today's lesson is salt. In day-to-day life we use different types of salt. You know that's what is sodium chloride and Jeevani solution and saline. Then what is salt? You know, acids react with base that form salt and water. Acid react with base form salt and water. Right. This is the how the form of salt. Then another reaction. Reaction with common use acid and base. Here sodium hydroxide react with hydrochloric acid, form sodium chloride and water, aqueous medium. Right? Another example, potassium hydroxide react with HCl, hydrochloric acid, form the potassium hydroxide and H2O. Right? Another example, magnesium hydroxide react with the acid nitric acid HNO3 that form magnesium nitrate. H2O. Right. These are the salts. Structure here, magnesium, potassium chloride. Right. Here are the salt. Then salt shows acidic property, basic property or neutral property. Then salt forms by reaction with strong base and strong acid. Salt is neutral. Then the acid is strong, base is weak, the salt is acidic. Then base is strong, acid is weak, the salt is basic. Right. Then the salt is produced by the strength of the acid or the base. Right. Then what are the properties of salt? Properties of salt. Salt. You know, normally salt are in crystal form and salt are solid, and most of salt dissolve in the water, and salt have high boiling point and high melting point. Crystal, solid form, dissolve, most of salts dissolve in water, high boiling point, high melting point. Then uses of salt. Uses of salt. Right. You know common salt, sodium chloride. We use as a food flavor, and salt used in food preservative, and sodium chloride break down into chlorine and sodium. Chlorine used to produce hydrochloric acid. Sodium used to produce sodium hydroxide and sodium carbonate and soap and glides in the earthenware and canning. These are the uses of sodium chloride. Then copper sulfate. Copper sulfate. You know copper sulfate in laboratory. Blue color crystals. Right. Copper sulfate used in agricultural feed as a fungicide, and in laboratory we use chemical reagent like Phelan and Benedict solution, and also used in electroplating and used in paint industry. That's the those are the uses of salt. Then other session of the lesson, neutralization. See what is neutralization. What is neutralization? You know, acids and bases react, form salt and water. Then salt and water not show the acidic or basic, and water also not show the acidic or bases. In this reaction, sodium hydroxide and HCl form sodium chloride and water. Right? In this reaction, sodium hydroxide ionizes as sodium plus ion and OH hydroxyl minus ion. In this acid, hydrochloric acid ionizes as hydrogen plus ion and chlorine minus ion. Then combine combine these negative and positive ion that form H2O, 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. In this reaction we call neutralization. What is neutralization? OH ion come from the base and H ion come from the acid, combine that produce water molecule. That is the neutralization. In day-to-day life, we use this neutralization. What is that? We use milk of magnesia to acidity of our stomach, and when the soil getting acidity, we use ash or quicklime or calcium oxide, that is in white powder, that remove the acidity of the soil. In B, that B sting is acidic. Then we apply the weak base like soap or baking soda. Then wasp that animals have basic stings. Then we use weak acidic solution like lime juice or vinegar. That's the neutralization used in day-to-day life. Thank you.